Deep in a metal city, Zinko the robot gazed at stars, longing for something he couldn't name. Zinko's body was made of shiny copper and tiny gears, but inside, he felt an emptiness that no oil or spark could ever fill, night after night. One foggy evening, Zinko spotted a glowing comet streaking across the sky and whispered, "I wish I could dream, just once, like humans do." To his surprise, a soft voice echoed, "Your wish may come true." From behind a tower emerged Pippa, a bird made entirely of shimmering glass. Pippa fluttered close, her wings chiming like tiny bells. "I come from Dream Lake. If you're brave, follow me and find what you seek." Together, they soared over rusting rooftops and silent streets, where only the hum of forgotten machines filled the cool night air below. The journey led them to the city's edge, where the ground glowed blue and silver streams of dream dust floated like fireflies around them. Zinko reached out, his metal fingers trembling as dream dust danced between them, warm and soft like nothing he'd ever touched before. "Drink from Dream Lake," Pippa urged, her voice soft as a breeze. But be warned, dreams reveal both wonders and truths hidden inside. Zinko knelt and sipped the shimmering water. Suddenly, colors burst behind his eyes, forests, skies, and faces smiling just for him. He felt joy, fear, and hope all at once. A tear-shaped drop of oil rolled down his cheek, glistening in the moonlight like a jewel. But soon, the dream twisted. Zinko saw the city empty, Pippa shattered on the ground, and himself rusted and forgotten among weeds. He gasped, pulling back from the lake. "Why would dreams show me such sadness?" His voice echoed into the night, filled with worry. Pippa landed gently on his shoulder. "Dreams are mirrors, Zinko. They show what could be, both bright and dark. It's up to you to choose." Just then, the lake's surface rippled. From its depths rose a figure of light, a being of pure stardust with gentle, glowing eyes. "You wish to dream," the being spoke kindly. "But to truly dream, one must understand both joy and sorrow. Both guide the heart." Zinko's metal heart ticked faster. He realized he wasn't empty inside. He was full of questions, wonder, and the power to care. The being stretched out a hand of light, and Zinko touched it. His copper fingers sparkled, and warmth spread through his entire frame. "Return home," the being whispered. "Use your new gift to build, to heal, to connect. That is the purpose of dreams made real." As dawn painted the sky pink and gold, Zinko and Pippa began the journey back, their hearts light, their minds full of new hope. Along the way, Zinko noticed small things, a flower pushing through cracks, the song of the wind, and the glow of the rising sun.